on, everyone? I hope everyone's enjoying their week. For those of you that are new to my channel, my name is Black Up the Apple Guy, and today I'm doing another quick tutorial. This one is how to back up your iPhone or iPad using iTunes. Now, obviously, with the new Catalina update, iTunes has been separated into three separate parts. You have iTunes, Apple TV, and Podcast all separate. So normally when you back up your phone, you would use iCloud, and it's pretty simple. You simply just back up your phone with iCloud and pretty much just set it and forget it. But there are still people out there who still love to connect their phones to their computers and back it up that way. Well, typically with iTunes, you would be able to do that. Now, there is a way to do it. You don't have to use Finder, although Finder is one way of doing it. I tried using Finder to back up my phone or just to check on my phone, and I actually had a hard time to do it. So today I'm going to show you how to use iTunes to back up your iPhone or iPad. All you have to do is simply connect your phone via USB to your Mac, and then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to iTunes. And then on the side here where it says like Apple Music, Library, Store, Devices, you're going to click on the device that's corresponding to whatever you have plugged in. So obviously if you have an iPad and an iPhone, it's whatever one you have named or whichever one pops up, whether it's iPhone or iPad. So as you can see on mine is my name, which is the name of my device. I click on that, and then in the far right hand corner there's going to be something that says sync settings. It'll be like right up under the volume and like the AirPlay. You click on that, and then from here it basically shows you everything that you need to know exactly on what you have on your phone. This is similar to what it would look like if you're using Finder to do it, only I'm using iTunes because it's just easier that way, and a lot of people have been used to doing it with iTunes. So this is one way you can do it. You can check to see when your last update was for your phone. You can restore your iPhone if something happens to it. You can do your backups from iCloud. It'll tell you when your last backup to iCloud was, or you can back it up to your computer if you want to by simply selecting that. It's pretty simple. You can have all these other options such as standard def for your video. So say you download iTunes videos to your phone, if you want to use the high def, or if you want to use standard def, which I believe is 720, you just click on that, and then that's how that works. You can automatically sync phone to the computer. So basically what that means is when you connect your iPhone to your Mac and you open up iTunes, or it'll automatically just connect to it, or you can manually manage your music. But that means basically how you put music into your iPhone. Typically, again, with iCloud, anything that you add to your music playlist is automatically added. And by that I mean, as you can see, I'm using my iCloud music, so any songs and stuff that I download are directly synced to iCloud. To sync the music with this computer, turn off iTunes Music, which I usually don't do. I leave everything in iCloud, so in case I decide to buy a new iPhone, I don't have to worry about manually adding all these songs. As you can see with movies, TV shows, everything that I want to manually add, I just simply click on the sync to my phone and it automatically does that. Photos, those are all managed by iCloud Photos. And then files, from here you can literally, if you wanted to, you can add stuff to this depending on how you do it, straight from the app itself, and you can offload it from here. I've never really done that because I haven't done it in quite a while, but you can do that. And then there's information, contacts, and calendars. That's pretty much all just set in iCloud. But again, if you want to do it manually, it would all be manual, and it would show you on the display here. And as you can see, it shows on the iPhone how many gigs I have available, and the battery life. And that is pretty much it. If I want to sync, then I would just basically just tap on the sync button, and then as you can see, it'll go through the syncing phase. And then after it's done, it'll tell me that the last time it was synced was whatever time I did this at, which would have been at 10:52. So, and that is pretty much all there is to it. So again, this is how you back up your phone. If you want to do it manually on your iMac or MacBook, you can still use iTunes to do it. It's not very hard to do it, and that's pretty much it. So again, if this video was helpful, please hit that thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button, as it helps my channel grow so I can put more content out there. And I want to thank everybody for watching, and Have a great week. Merry Christmas and enjoy your holiday.